so. I only know I never wanna let you go, 'cause you started something, can't you see that ever since we met you've had a hold on me? It happens to be true. I only wanna be with you. It doesn't matter where you go or what you do. I wanna spend each moment of the day with you. Look what has happened with just one kiss. I never knew that I could be in love like this. It's crazy, but it's true. I only wanna be with you. You stopped and smiled at me and asked me if I'd care to dance. I fell into your open arms and I didn't stand a chance. Now listen, honey, I just wanna be beside you everywhere. As long as we're together, honey, I don't care. 'Cause you started something, can't you see that ever since we met you've had a hold on me? No matter what you do, I only wanna be with you. No matter what you do, I only wanna be with you.
You are the one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. Yours is the voice that wakes me mornings and sends me out into the day. You are the crowd that sits quiet, listening to me and all the mad sense that I make. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's so true, how could anyone mean more to me than you? Sorry if sometimes I look past you. There's no one beyond life. Inside my head, wheels are turning. Hey, sometimes I'm not so wise. You are my heart and my soul, my inspiration, just like the old love song goes. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all true, how could anyone mean more to me than you? could anyone mean more to me than you?
Ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal, tugon sa aking dasal upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw. Ikaw ang tanglaw sa aking mundo, kabiyak nitong puso ko. Wala ni kahati mong saglit na sa'yo'y may papalit, ngayon kailan may ikaw ang lahat.
Mapagtiwala, puno ng pag-asa at nagtitiyaga hanggang sa wakas. Mga minamahal na kapatid at kaibigan, tayo'y nagkakatipon ngayon sa harapan ng ating Diyos at sa kapulungan ito upang saksihan at ipagdiwang ang pag-iisang dibdib ni Jessie at ni Risa sa isang banal at kristyanong kasalan. Ang tipan ng pag-aasawa ay tinakda at itinatag ng Diyos na siyang lumikha sa atin na lalaki at babae.